Make sure you refer to your user manual, pages 5 through 11. First, a review of the important concepts of sharpening: angle, pressure, and stabilization. This DPS guide is the key to getting accurate angles on all curettes, scalers, and scissors. The proper angle is obtained for this Gracie curette when the terminal shank is lined up with a line marked G. The line marked U is for all other universal curettes and scalers. Only minimal pressure is required while sharpening. This is especially true when using the diamond disc. Check for sharpness after 3 to 4 light strokes using your test stick. Frequent checking helps eliminate over-sharpening of the instrument. Note the light pressure and the heel-to-toe motion. For stabilization, rest your hands against the machine's tabletop or side. Use both hands to support the instrument close to the point of contact with the abrasive. If the instrument tends to move when the machine is activated, try the following. Use lighter pressure or grasp the instrument more firmly. Starting with the proper angle, we will now sharpen both ends of a Gracie 1314 in just seconds. Note the light pressure and the heel-to-toe motion. The following show correct angles for other curettes: McCall's 1718, Barnhart 5.6, Columbia 13.14. Now for sharpening scalers, starting with the proper angle on the U line. This H67 is being sharpened in less than 15 seconds. Note the light pressure and the heel-to-toe motion. Angles for other scalers are shown here for the 204 and for the jacket. For close-up photos of curettes and scalers, select from the links on the front page. The round toe of curettes may be sharpened using the number 2 round hone, as on page 11 of your manual. An alternate method is shown here using the number 4 grooved hone. Note how the curette is raised to approximately a 45-degree angle and moved from side to side. A little RX hone cleaner on a swab quickly cleans the hone.